Of course, my LV Speedy P9 is squishy. I mean, that's the best type of quality. It's very soft. The touch is amazing. The zipper is high quality, as you can see. And now I would like for you all to come with me while I apply my LV luggage tag.
This will be a little bit more of an in-depth video, so bear with me, guys. I want to show you all how to apply these items to your bag so you're not confused, because there's different ways you can do it, and whichever way you do it is fine by me, but I'm just going to show you a little example so you don't have to go crazy on the internet looking. Okay, so this is the Clochette key belt.
Again, I want to show off that Speedy plates. High quality, looks beautiful. And now I'm just applying my luggage tag. I was playing around with it to figure out which way I like it best. But that's one way. And then with the pochette lock key, I kind of did it off camera, but now I'm going to show you guys how to do it on camera. So I'm taking it apart and then I'm going to basically show you how to do it from scratch. Okay, so you want to lay it out flat. That's number one, right? Then you want to insert the key inside of the smallest part. Oh, I'm just opening up my lock because I'm going to figure out where I want to put my lock at on my bag. So yeah, so you're going to insert your key onto the crochet key belt, and then you want to get the biggest part and insert it into the smallest part of the belt and pull it all the way through like so, right? Then you want to take the biggest part, fold it in half like a sandwich, as you see I'm doing, right? And insert it into this tiny little hole at the top. So you want to make sure it slides all the way through there, right? So I'm just pushing it in. It kind of unfolded as I was doing it, so I'm just using a little bit of strength to push it in. But it's really just that simple. And then you want to continue to pull it through and make sure the key is inside. Or if you want to leave the key outside, that's on you too. But that's how I left it, like so. And then you want to attach it to your bag. And so this is how I attached it to my P9. This is how I'm pulling it through. And I'm just inserting the bottom into the biggest hole and pulling it through like so. And it's just that simple. That's it. And it's on there, laying flat. Or if you want it to be bulky, you can do that too. But I'm just, again, showing you an example in case you kind of want to get an idea of how to do it. This is how you would do it, just like that. And then if you want to add your little extra small little bag that it comes with, you can do that also. I'm just doing this for decoration purposes. When I'm outside, I probably won't wear like that. Yeah. And then also I want to show you guys the animal print because it does come with an animal print. Very official, very demure, good quality. Yes, yes. And then you can also zoom in to see another LV brand where branded LV all over the bag, which shows the quality again. I'm probably going to take that lock off and switch it to the other side. When I was doing the video, I didn't think of that, but now I'm replaying it back and I'm like, I'm going to do that. Anyways, so now I'm basically just applying the straps to the bag so I can show you ladies how you can wear it. You can pretty much wear it like three different ways. That's way number one. Your shoulders, wear like a little shoulder bag, and then you can extend it, and then you can extend it to also do crossbody. And so for my bigger girls, yes, this can fit around your whole body. Yeah, like so. You can see my silhouette, and I'm sitting down on the floor, and it fits me really, really nicely. And then, of course, you can wear it with your hand and your wrist, and that's about it.